Third class for Mac 124. And what did we learn today? Well, we reviewed the motion codes. We went over your initiation form. I asked you to fill out project initiation where you determine what you know and you don't know. You guys did a very good job on that. Thank you. I look forward to reading them. Okay, you wrote a paragraph before we make our first part about that first part. On Blackboard also, if you lose your drawing, the drawing is posted on Blackboard. Okay, then we filled out some forms and we did the coordinates for this job, the first 4 holes in the corners. We noted that the origin is in the center of the part and that we're going to be using all 4 quadrants of the Cartesian coordinate system to find our locations. We opened up Excel for the first time and learned how to do math in an Excel program. All right. Then I covered CAN cycles. They were on page 76 and 77, and they're what we're going to use here on our first part to spot drill and drill our holes through. So your homework was page 42 to 49. I wanted you to finish the exercise on page 41 with the I's and the K's. We went over this extensively today. And in the case where we are not using cutter compensation but programming off the center line of the tool, we had to adjust the vector from being a 1/2 inch radius on the part to a 3/4 inch radius to the center line of the tool. On all motion codes we have the end point, and then we tell the vector to where the arc is drawn from, and so the tool will go from here to here, tied back to the vector where the arc center line is. So go over that 3 or 4 more times till you understand it, because all of our radiuses are going to be programmed on the mill with I and J. Okay, so over here we did a couple of planning exercises. We've moved from the initiation phase of the project to planning it. And on a CNC project, the first plan is to look and study the print and then do the coordinates. These are the coordinates for the 4 holes that go around the outside that we're going to spot drill and drill through and then countersink. So that's going to be our first part of the project. All right. Then, after we had the coordinates done, we moved to the production procedure. We decided the operations that we're going to need to do in order to get this part done. And then with this plan, then we start programming. In the next class, we will start programming. What are we going to do on this one though? We're going to saw our aluminum 3 inches wide, 1/2 inches thick to a length of 4.5. Over here in the notes is where you say things like that. We're going to, the sequence 2 was spot drill the 4 holes. Over here in the notes, how deep we're going to spot drill those holes. Then we're going to drill the holes through with a certain amount of breakthrough. Later on, we use the formula for the drill point compensation. We figured the thickness of the part, and then 30 thousandths breakthrough. We had Z minus 0.623. Then we're going to countersink the holes with an 82-degree countersink and use trial and error to get it to the right depth. All right, so I look forward to seeing you again next Tuesday, and please have all this homework done and be caught up, and we will be able to get out on the machine. Another thing I want you to do is to watch the setup video that's linked on the Blackboard page. Thank you.